Hello, my name is Alice and welcome to my channel. Every day is Christmas. In today's video, I'll be unboxing and sharing my thoughts on 5 smart products that I recently purchased for my kitchen. If you're also considering these products, this video will provide a quick overview on what the product does, what can you expect out of the box, where can you find these fancy things, and how am I using them in my home. The products are the Joseph Intelligent Compost Bin, Panasonic's new 4-in-1 microwave, Delta's latest Voice IQ faucet, a Yorkshire Mason sugar jar, and a pair of silicone pot mats by Smith Craft. Now without further ado, let's get this party started. Here we have the Delta Voice IQ faucet, one of my favorite purchases for my new kitchen. I knew exactly what I was looking for. I knew I wanted a brushed gold one to match the hardware of the cabinets. I knew I wanted the fancy feature where I can just turn on the faucet with a tap of my elbow. Those were my specifications for the quest of my new faucet. In my research, only a handful of products met the mark, varying from brands such as Delta, Moen, and some other Chinese ones. I went with Delta based on availability and its brand reputation. This was ordered from Amazon with all the parts included. Installation was done by a certified plumber, and activation of the Voice IQ was relatively simple. It took me about 15 minutes following the instruction pamphlet provided. I love my new faucet. I'm gonna let the next few videos do a bit of show and tell. Hey Google, ask Delta faucet to turn on. Hey Google, ask Delta faucet to turn off. Hey Google, ask Delta faucet to give me 1 cup of water.
Okay, dispensing 1 cup.
Next up is the Panasonic 4-in-1 microwave. This Panasonic model was on sale for $4.99 at Best Buy, but it's completely sold out now at all stores in Canada. And I was told they won't be getting more in stock this year. I was lucky enough to get mine online from Compost Appliance. So if you're looking for this model, go check Compost Appliance. Alternatively, I did find a similar microwave made by Breville. It's a 3-in-1 and now on sale at Best Buy, costing $20 less than the Panasonic. Gotta share those deals. Okay, you're gonna see unboxing this was difficult, and it didn't take me long to realize I needed some real muscles here. So here comes my hubby to the rescue. Yay! So let's discuss what exactly does a 4-in-1 microwave even mean? Well, it means the microwave can actually replace the need for other appliances. For example, this Panasonic 4-in-1 can reheat food. Well, that's what a microwave does, but it can broil like a toaster oven. It can bake like a regular oven. And oh my gosh, it can air fry, replacing the need for an air fryer. Jesus, what are they gonna come up with next? Withholding my excitement, let me continue showing you what comes with the microwave. It includes a baking rack and a baking dish, as well as an air fryer basket. Basically, it includes everything you need for the additional features to work. Now, I haven't had a chance to try them out. I've only used the reheating feature, but I'll definitely let you guys know once I try it out and how it fares. So here it is, the Panasonic 4-in-1 microwave. I really like it, and I hope you guys enjoyed the intro video. Next, we have the Joseph Intelligent Compost Bin, which I ordered from Amazon. I was in the market for a new compost bin because I was tired of the bland beige bin, you know, the one the city provides. So I was looking for something more handsome looking, and this is the one I chose. I liked how Joseph looked more modern with its sleek lines, and it wasn't bulky like some of the other ones I saw. And its graphite gray color really appealed to me. Some bigger families might find its 4-liter capacity inadequate, but I find it the perfect fit for what I need. I cook generally at least 1 meal a day, and I love making fruity drinks. Now, I should mention, he's not just all looks. He's intelligent because he has an older filter and ventilation feature. So let's get this baby out of the box and let me show you how it works. As you can see here, both Amazon and Joseph did a good job in packaging. The product was secure, product looked brand new with no damages, and the packaging was environmentally friendly as I didn't find any unnecessary materials. Upon opening the box, one should find an older packet and an instruction pamphlet. Now you're gonna see me fiddle around here a bit, trying to open the older compartment. So let's fast forward this part a bit. This is where I had some trouble due to my short, fragile, and lame-looking nails, which, by the way, please forgive me as they look oogly. Oh my god, it's not ugly, it's oogly. That's like the higher level of oogliness. I promise they'll be done before my next video. After consulting the instruction pamphlet and applying some muscles, I finally got the older compartment open and placed the filter inside. Just a quick note to place the older packet the right side up, and then once you close the older compartment back up, voila! Joseph is now ready at your service. Folks, it doesn't come with the designated Joseph compost bags. Those you have to buy separately. Me being Asian though, don't see the justification, so I just use regular grocery bags. I always double bag my compost bin to avoid leaks, and this baby works. I don't smell a thing. The next products I'm about to share were ordered from Amazon. First one is a mason sugar jar. I was looking for one to place at the coffee station area and found this one on Amazon. Isn't it just adorable? It reminds me of ones at a retro diner. And the best part I like about it is I don't need to worry about touching the sugar while digging for the spoon. It has a little flap that automatically opens when you turn the jar upside down, and out comes the sugar. Last but not least is a pair of silicone pot mats by Smithcraft. I ordered this with the intent of using these as spoon rests, and they are perfect for the job. That's it for today. Thanks for watching this video. Hopefully you found it informative, and consider subscribing so you can be notified of future new videos. If you have any questions regarding the products covered, feel free to leave me a comment. Till then, stay safe and we'll see you next time.